Offences and penalties. If there is omission or understatement of income as a result of investigation, penalties will be imposed based on provisions of Section 112 subsect 3. A penalty treble to the amount of tax under charge is exigible. Under Section 113 subsect 1, be liable to a fine of not less than 1,000 ringgit and not more than 10,000 ringgit, and shall pay a special penalty of double the amount of tax which has been undercharged. Or, as provided for under Section 113 subsect 2, penalty equal to the amount of tax undercharged can be imposed. Section 114 ITA stipulates a fine of not less than 1,000 ringgit and not more than 20,000 ringgit. Or, to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or both. And shall pay a special penalty of treble the amount of tax. Payment procedures. All payment towards back duties taxes should be made payable to the Director General of Inland Revenue. Taxpayer is encouraged to make full payment of taxes and penalties assessed in one single payment. However, where taxpayer is unable to do so, the Director General Inland Revenue will consider allowing taxpayer to settle the total tax liability by installment for a predetermined period. If taxpayer seeks an installment payment plan, amount of 25% is requested as initial payment and the balance outstanding will be settled by installment, and the settlement period will be determined by the Director General of Inland Revenue. Taxpayers who seeks longer installment payment scheme, the penalties will be much higher compared to taxpayer who settle the one lump sum payment or request for a shorter duration. Appeals. According to Section 99 to 102 of ITA, lay grounds and rules for appeals. A taxpayer can appeal against assessment as a result of tax investigation to Special Commissioner of Income Tax within 30 days. Should either party dissatisfied with the decision of Special Commissioner of Income Tax, the aggrieved party may apply to have the case heard in the High Court and henceforth the Court of Appeal. And there is no appeal against a composite assessment.